Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's AB George here. So today's video is going to be on this look. If this is your first time of tuning in, you're very welcome. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So this is the old hair I'll be using for this tutorial. It's an old bundle. I've used this several times. So first is to get your wig cap and then outline how you're going to be sewing down your wig on. So if you look at the middle part, I've already drawn a round part, which is where I'll be ventilating because I needed my wig to look as natural as possible. So after doing that, you lay down your lace and sew it down like so. After sewing down your lace, the next thing to do is to cut out excess lace and then cut out the wig cap in the particular place you sewed your lace so that it will be visible, so that your lace will be visible. So your wig cap should look like this after the necessary cuttings. So the next thing to do is to start sewing down your weave on. The formula I use in sewing down my weave on is always ear to ear formula. I sew my weave on from one end of the ear to the other end of the ear till I get to the front part. So when you get to the front, you flip the hair over like so and start sewing it round and round and round till you get to the lace part. So when you get to the lace part, you cut the ribbon like so. Remove the tiny hairs, fold it into two, then you start ventilating. I'll allow you guys to watch through. The next to do is to cut your bangs. To do this, you section the amount of hair you want to be in the front. Use your scissors, then cut it little by little. I will advise, if you want to cut this, put on the wig and cut it on your face so you won't overcut the hair. So I later went further with razor blade to give it the shape I needed. So you go ahead to trim the bangs until you get your desired look. So this is the final look of the wig. Thank you all for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my video, comment if you have any question, and I'll sure see you guys in my next one. Bye.